Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Appendic cancer is sometimes called appendiceal cancer. It occurs when healthy cells become abnormal and grows rapidly. These cancerous cells become a mass or tumor inside the appendix. When the tumor is malignant, it is considered cancerous. Types of appendix cancer: colonic type adenocarcinoma, mucinous adenocarcinoma of the appendix or MAA. MAA is further classified as either low grade, high grade, goblet cell adenocarcinoma, neuroendocrine carcinoma, signet ring cell adenocarcinoma. What are the causes and risk factors? Pernicious anemia, a deficiency of vitamin B12, atrophic gastritis or long-term inflammation of the stomach lining, Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, a condition of the digestive tract, a family history of multiple endocrine neoplasia type 1, a disorder that leads to tumors in the glands that produce hormones, and also smoking. What are the symptoms? Appendix cancer may not have any noticeable symptoms in the beginning. It is usually discovered during surgery or during an imaging test for another condition like appendicitis. Your doctor may also discover it during a routine colonoscopy. However, if there are symptoms, they may include bloated abdomen, ovarian masses, chronic or severe abdominal pain, non-specific discomfort in the right lower abdomen, obstruction of the bowel, hernia, diarrhea. Many of these symptoms may not occur until the cancer is more advanced. What are the treatment options? The treatment for appendix cancer depends on the type of tumor, stages of the cancer, person's overall health. Surgery is the most common treatment for localized appendix cancer. If the cancer is localized to the appendix only, then the treatment is usually to remove the appendix. This is also called an appendectomy. For some types of appendix cancer, or if the tumor is larger, your doctor may recommend removing one half of your colon and also some lymph nodes. Surgery to remove half of your colon is called hemicolectomy. If the cancer has spread, then your doctor may recommend cytoreductive surgery, which is also called debulking. In this type of surgery, the surgeon will remove the tumor, surrounding fluid, and possibly any nearby organs that are attached to the tumor. Treatment may include chemotherapy before or after surgery. If the tumor is larger than 2 cm, the cancer has spread especially to the lymph nodes, the cancer is more aggressive. Types of chemotherapy include systemic chemotherapy given intravenously or by mouth, regional chemotherapy given directly into the abdomen, such as intraperitoneal chemotherapy or hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy, a combination of systemic and regional chemotherapies. After that, your doctor will follow up with imaging tests such as a CT scan or MRI to ensure the tumor is gone. Thank you all. Have a nice day.